Callum, slow down. You're not really being the safest engine in these conditions. What's the point of slowing down when you're having so much fun? Woo-hoo! Progress report, Arthur. We've got 6 more stops left on the branch line, and then we've got another shipment due for all the stops on the main line. Can this winter nightmare ever end? Hey Morris, hey Arthur, look at all this snow. Fun, isn't it? Fun? Fun? Callum, if it was Christmas I might be having fun. But since it doesn't snow in the southern hemisphere during Christmas, I'm thinking the complete opposite, actually. Then, if it doesn't snow during the southern hemisphere's Christmas, then why did our Christmas music video that we posted last year have snow in it? Either because Wade wasn't thinking logically like he normally does, or he was just simply being a dummy. Hey, you know that not everything I post is canon to the official series? And neither are you, Wade, so zip it. Also, if most of these shorts aren't canon, then why am I, along with many other characters that have been introduced in these shorts, are canon in the official series? You know what? That's it. I'm done. No, I'm done. No, I'm serious. I'm done. No. The end. Just done. Anyways, back to the discussion. Why would you think snow is so bad? Like, it's really fun. Like, there's snowmen you can build, and yeah, you know what? I just give up. Look, Callum, we understand why you enjoy the snow so much, but the point we're trying to make here is, you don't see enough of the dangers that snow can bring. Dangers? What? I don't get it. What are you talking about, dangers? What he means is, for example, if you're pulling a goods train as long as we are, on your own, then you're more than likely going to have an accident. How would that even be possible? 1, trucks are troublesome, and 2, the snow makes the rails very icy and slippery. Stuff and nonsense. If you let me take that train by myself, then I'd be able to pull it on a single piston. Okay then, Mr. Blue Engine, prove it. Alright then, Little Red Riding Hood, I will. Morris, are you sure that this is a good idea? Don't worry about me, Arthur. I'll be absolutely fine. Really should have listened to you guys. Agreed. If you're a fan of this series and wish to help it grow in any way you can, then we're opening voice roles for the rest of the series. Video containing all the info coming soon. Thanks for watching. See you at the next station.